Hi there, students. Word of mouse. Word of mouse. Mouse. Yeah, mouse. Okay. This is a message spread by modern technology, spread by internet. So a message or a joke or a piece of information or a piece of gossip that goes from person to person, but using the new technologies. This is a play on the phrase word of mouth, a verbal means of passing on information. And people always say that the best type of advertising is word of mouth advertising, where you tell your friend, you speak to them and say, you really must try I Swear English's channel. It's really good. It's really going to help you. That is word of mouth advertising. But we live in a different world now, and WhatsApp or Skype or a million other programs are one of the major ways we communicate, or using different social media, and this is word of mouth. Okay, so word of mouth, something that is spread by computer. Yeah. So companies who want to advertise their products, they're relying more and more on word of mouth. Yeah, word of mouth used to be the best way, but well, word of mouth now seems to be the best way. So I heard about the event through word of mouth. Yeah. Okay. So it's something that you find out about in internet. It's the new version of word of mouth. This is what comes from the digital era. It's passing along messages about a company, about a product, through digital forums, through different digital things. Okay, so people who praise a business online can create very good word of mouth advertising. Yeah, word of mouth. It's the best way to get your message out there, because it's easy to click if you put a recommendation on a blog or something. Other people read it, and that's when it explodes. It becomes viral. Yeah, word of mouth, viral advertising if you're lucky. Formality, word of mouth. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use this in a semi-formal writing as well. Yeah, and word of mouth. So yeah, please would you use your mouse to tell everybody how wonderful my videos are. Yeah, word of mouth advertising. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Word of mouth.